The performance of satellites in Earth orbit has been a critical aspect of space exploration and communication. Satellites are designed to operate and endure the harsh environment of space, including radiation, extreme temperatures, and microgravity. The performance of satellites is measured by their ability to maintain stable orbits, transmit and receive signals, and collect and relay data. A satellite or artificial satellite is an object intentionally placed into orbit around a celestial body. Satellites have a variety of uses, including communication relay, weather forecasting, navigation GPS, broadcasting, scientific research, and Earth observation. Additional military uses are reconnaissance, early warning, signals, intelligence and, potentially, weapon delivery. Other satellites include the final rocket stages that place satellites in orbit, and formerly useful satellites that later become defunct. Satellites are equipped with propulsion systems and guidance controls to ensure they remain in their designated orbits. The performance of these systems is crucial to the overall functionality of the satellite. Additionally, the onboard communication systems must be able to transmit and receive signals consistently and accurately to provide reliable data and connectivity. Furthermore, the ability of satellites to collect and relay data is a key measure of their performance, whether it be for weather forecasting, environmental monitoring, or providing global communication services. Satellites need to be able to accurately capture and transmit data to fulfill their intended purposes. In recent years, advancements in satellite technology have led to improved performance and capabilities. From smaller, more efficient designs to better propulsion systems and communication technologies, satellites are becoming more reliable and effective in Earth orbit. In conclusion, the performance of satellites in Earth orbit is essential for a wide range of applications, from scientific research to global communication. The advancements in satellite technology have greatly improved their ability to maintain stable orbits, transmit and receive signals, and collect and relay data, ultimately leading to a more reliable and effective satellite network.